Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Tube Comment Buddy to scrape YouTube comments or create YouTube comments and replies. First, create an account on the website. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard with your account information. You can get more info about your plan and limits in the usage and billing page. In your settings page, you can add your OpenAI and DeepSeek API keys. In the accounts page, you will need to add an OAuth token for your account. I have a Gmail account with 100 channels and one main channel. In order to get your OAuth token, you need to visit the Google embedded setup link. Enter your username and password. I would suggest you use a fresh profile or any anti-detect browser with a cookies plugin installed to get the OAuth token value easily. You need to copy the whole OAuth token value and enter it in Tube Comment Buddy. The OAuth token will expire in a minute or two, so you need to hurry. The token is one-time use only. You cannot reuse it. The panel will take a few seconds to check if the token is valid or not, and it will show you a message with the total channels found in your account. In the channels page, you can see a list of all channels. It can take a few minutes to fetch all the correct info about your channels. You may see 0 videos and 0 subscribers even if you have videos and subscribers. Once all the info is fetched, you will see a message. In order to use channels for comments or replies, you need to create a group of channels that you want to use. You can add or remove channels from the group. After that, you need to add or assign a proxy to your channel group. Here, I do not have any proxy, so first I will add a proxy. When you test a proxy, sometimes it may not work on the first try. You can click Test Proxy again if that happens. You need to click on the plus sign to assign the proxy to the group. Now, let's create our first task. We are going to create a comment scraping task. Just add a name for the task, your YouTube video URLs, how many comments you want to fetch per video, and comment order, newest comments or top comments. It can take a few minutes to fetch the comments. You can see the results in the results page. Select your task. You can filter replies before exporting them. Now, we are going to create a comment task. You will put a list of videos on which you want to comment. I have selected a few videos of Mr. Beast. If you have a list of comments, you can add them, or you can use AI to generate relevant comments to the video. I am going to use OpenAI GPT-4o to generate comments. You can use placeholders like title, author, and description. The script will fetch the video title, author, and description and send it to the AI in the prompt. I would recommend you do not use description since this can be long and many people do not put much in the description about the video. In settings, you can choose delay between comments, daily limit per channel, and total comments per day. This is the limit of the task campaign. I have put 3 here. Even though I have 5 video URLs, the panel will post 3 comments today and the other 2 tomorrow. You can go to the results page to see the results. Click on View Comment to see your posted comment. Unfortunately, all the comments were ghosted. Our script did post them, but YouTube is not showing them. It can happen if you have bad quality accounts or some channels might have better moderation in place. I'm going to create a reply task, but for that I'm going to target a Sniper Wolf video. I will scrape comments from her last video first and try to send replies to those comments. In the reply task, you can add a list of YouTube comment URLs and reply text, or you can use AI. Now here, the script will fetch the comment and use that in the AI prompt to generate text. Just like before, you can see the reply IDs in the results page. As you can see, the replies are not ghosted here. I am creating another comment task, but this time I'm going to use Sniper Wolf videos. Two comments were live, while one comment did get ghosted.